What if I show you how to earn $300 or more every 10 minutes on Fiverr? This is one of the laziest ways to make money online. When I mean lazy, I don't mean you won't be doing anything. I mean 90% of the work will be done for you, and with just a few clicks of a button, you can start receiving your very first payment right now. $300, $400, or even up to $800. And after researching more than 300 different methods and strategies to make money online, only a very few of them pass the tests and are proven to make real money, and this is one of them. Please do me a favor and promise that you would not abuse these methods in an unethical way. Simply watch this video and use the money that you earn in a good way to benefit society. Even though this is a completely free method that works worldwide, not everyone can make money with it. Why? Because 97% of the people who are watching this video will not watch the video until the end and will definitely miss important parts in this video. So don't be among the 97% of the people who will not make any money. So make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm not talking about small money here. I'm talking about $800 or even thousands of dollars. Right now, you can go onto ladium.org. On this page, you can find different featured projects, and you can see here when I go down below, there are literally unlimited projects that you can select right on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. I'll show you a very lazy way to do it, and you don't have to do any of the hard work. As you can see here, people from different countries in the world, they're getting in on this opportunity to make really good money. As you can see here in the last section, they're categorizing all the jobs into different categories. For example, usability testing, registrations, translations, app downloads, video and animation, and so on. Now on this video, I'll save you a lot of time as always. I will show you a bonus tip and tell you what's fast and what's working right now. You could be making a lot of money. Now for those of you guys who are watching, I want to show you a bonus tip and I want you to focus on this category, which is graphics and design. And all you're going to do is click on this link right here, and that's going to bring you to this page and show you other projects related to graphics and design. Now don't worry, you don't need any graphic design skills. You don't need any technical skills or any experience. I promise you this is one of the laziest ways to make money online, and you can do this as a complete beginner. Now as you can see here, for example, this project, imagine how that money could change your life. You can use it to buy whatever you want. You can buy a house, buy a car. You can have all your financial freedom and pay off any of your debt. Just look at these projects for thousands of dollars and even hundreds of dollars, and we have unlimited jobs available for everyone. And I could just keep on scrolling down. I can see here there are just unlimited projects available. The next thing you might be having in mind is that, hey, Rachel, how can I do it? How can I start making money just like this? You can see 100 up to 500 in US dollars. We are going to go straight into one of the examples. Now let's just say, for example, a project like this is posted by this company. The project they want you to do is to design a new and original logo. Now all you got to do is click on this project right here, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here the reward that is hundreds of dollars. Now you can see here the instructions, which will vary depending on which project you choose. That's the name of their company. Now once again, don't worry, you don't have to create any of the logos yourselves. You can go on freelogodesign.org. Once you come over to the homepage, you can see here this website offers you free services and free software to create logos for you in literally just a few seconds. And as you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos of different companies, and these are all the kinds of different templates and different designs, and I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. I'll give you a lot of examples and show you a few bonus tips, and towards the end of this video, I'll show you another special website to multiply your earnings by simply clicking on a few buttons. And once again, I promise you this is going to be one of the laziest ways to make money without any of the hard work. You can create a professional logo in just a few seconds. So right now, let me show you exactly how to do this. You only need 2 pieces of information to create a free logo on this website. Number 1, you'll need a company name, and number 2, you have to select one of these categories as you can see here. Now let's say if we want to work on this project, we can find the company name. You can see this is a company. Go ahead and enter the company name, and the reason why we are going to put in the name of the company is because that's going to appear on the logo. As you can see here, they're going to give us a lot of different templates, and the name of the company will appear right on the logo. And moving on, you'll need to learn about what's the category of their company, which you can find in their instructions. Once you enter the company's name, we have to move on to select one of these categories. You can just click on this down arrow and choose one of the categories. Basically, you can find a lot of categories from this down arrow, so from there, when you scroll down below, you'll want to look for the specific category for the company you will be making the logo. So just click on this, and from there, all you got to do is click on this button, Get Started. And they're going to start loading up, as you can see here, and show you different kinds of logos. And guess what? With just one click of a button, you can see here they'll help you to create your logo. And they have pages and pages of logo designs that you can use for absolutely free. Now, as you can see, you're going to scroll down, look for any of these logo designs, and they're super professional. Let's just say once you finish on page number 1, you can just click here to go on to page number 2, and I'll show you even more different logo designs you can see here, and the name of the company will show up right there on the logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, or for example, when you send it to your client later and they're not satisfied, you can just go on and select any of these new logos and then show them once again. From just one single category, as you can see here, there are 4 pages of different logo designs. Now, if you're not satisfied, you're just going to click on other different categories, and I'll show you other logo designs as you can see here. There are just unlimited options and unlimited logo designs that you can choose from with just one click of a button. And you don't need any technical skill, you don't need any graphic design skills, and you don't have to create any of the logos yourself, as I promised you. This one is the laziest way to make money right now without any experience. So let's just say if you want to select this logo, all you get to do is just click on this right here and click on the Add button, and from there that is going to show up right here on your canvas. Now we can do any other customization or any editing that you want. Say for example this graphic, you can just drag and drop to whatever place you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can do any adjustments you want. For example, the name of the company, you can even add some tags. You can change the color, you can change the font size. You can drag and drop to any place that you want, and of course they're so professional you don't have to do any of the adjustments. You can just get all the done for you logos with just one click of a button. And you can preview this logo by just clicking on this button, and once again this works on your mobile phone. This is also working on your computer, you can do it on any devices that you have. Once you're satisfied with the logo design, all you have to do is click on the Save button to save it on your device. So this is just one of the examples to create a logo for this one company. And guess what? When you go back to ladium.org and browse on different projects, you have literally hundreds of projects that are looking to hire people like you and I to design different logos. And they're paying you top dollar, $500 to $1,000 again and again right here on this website. And they pay you on time, on schedule, and all you got to do is click on this button on top to sign up for free, and that's going to bring you to this page. Put in your email address and you can sign up for a free account and start making money. And as a bonus for some of you guys who are still watching all the way until the end, I'll show you another bonus tip. Now, other than ladium.org, you can also go onto Fiverr.com, and this is basically another freelancer website where you can find different similar projects as well. So all you got to do is type in this keyword, logo design, and all you got to do is click on the search button, and from there you can find different projects and different other logo design work, as you can see here. And these are just some examples of other freelancers from different countries in the world. They are making really good money on Fiverr by simply helping other people to create and design a logo. You can see here this person creates professional logo designs for this amount. Right here, another one. And you can see there are a few over here, and there are literally hundreds and thousands of people, and they're looking for somebody to help them create a logo design. And guess what? You could be the one to do this. And you can just simply go onto this website freelogodesign.org to create all the logos professionally with just one click of a button for free. Do you want to learn how you can earn $500 per email you open? Click here!